Yeah, I've mentioned it many times before. That is OD tools. You need it. Object placer. I guess I gotta go to object mode. Okay, if I launch that in camera mode, then it will go for the camera. Doesn't seem to be a way to fix that, so okay, I guess I'll go out, go to object mode, or to the object selected, and then go object placer. Yeah, there we go. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna clone this one, this guy here, and I'll just simply click on the surface, but that doesn't work because you gotta choose the terrain. So select the terrain. I could select this one, but that's the displaced terrain and it's just huge. So I've made a proxy object, and also layer 2. You can see that that's my proxy object, and that's the collision object, you could say. So choose that as the collision object, and I'll choose this cube. I want to clone that one. The question is, do you want to clone it or do you want to instance it? I think I'll just clone it for now. This is a bit big. So you can see this must be scaled down. So that's not the object's original size. Let's get rid of this one. Removal on, click on it. There it is. And off, removal off. Choose, yeah, okay, it is chosen that object, I guess. Let's see if I can, yeah, first of all, I'm gonna set the max size of this to 0.5. Minimum could be 0.1, I guess. You know what, I'll set it to 0.3 and 0.05. Why not? Yeah, that's it. And then I'll just click around on that object. Seems to work pretty nicely. You can see here that if I go like this, it will align to the polygon normal. You might not want that. For example, if you're placing a tree or something like that, maybe you don't want that, so then you would have to say no. Oh, it's actually it's based on this rotation, so I guess you gotta reset that rotation first. But okay, that's cool. What else? Yeah, I'm using clones right now, and of course a way to get rid of the clones is just simply selecting them like that. I like to use this one. The only minus here is that the button is so damn small. So down here you got this current items button, and take these guys and select them and hit the minus key, clear them all. They're gone. Okay, let's try instancing. Looks to work. Let's see if I now choose, let's see, if I go to properties, And that should be my proxy layer. Layer 2 is my proxy layer. Okay, that's actually correct. That's a bit strange. Oh. Yeah, okay. So it's going about it like that. Okay. So it's an instance, but it's not placed on this layer 2. I guess that's okay. Yeah, that makes totally sense when I think about it. But yeah, that's cool. Anything else? Let's see. Let's go for a clone again. And yeah, so you can see I get this message because I'm kind of like dragging. That's a nice thing about this plugin, by the way, that it actually works with a tablet. So you can see when I try to drag, it will give me this pop-up. And what does that mean? Well, for example, here, interactive drag modifier, you can set this to heading. So let's see now if this works. Hey, well, look at that. Works quite all right. Yeah. I'm using a tablet, and it has a bit of a hiccup. Yeah, if I move it in the Y direction, it kind of like gets this hiccup. So, gotta be a bit careful with that, I guess. Be careful moving the tablet up and down, or even the mouse up and down. So yeah, you can set it to one of these guys. Not sure if you can. Oh, okay, cool. You can actually have a normal offset as well. Nice. Does that mean, so if I say right now, you can see that you can have a normal offset like that, which is neat. Why does it go like that now? Shouldn't it? Well, I guess it's not. Oh, you know what? I think that's correct. Because I'm having the proxy object underneath. Yeah, so let's just do this, by the way. Let's see, or is it, I think it's this one. Yeah, I know, it's a crazy name, but okay, it was not a fan. Yeah, that's the high-res object. That, well, balloon sphere, or whatever I'm gonna call it. And it did it crash? I think maybe it crashed. That's a bit strange because that balloon object is not that high res. Did it crash or did it not crash? Yeah, might be crashing on me. Let's see. Yeah, so I mean, you got other options as well here, but yeah. Did it add that one or did it not? Let's just see if. Okay, so that's. What's that? Oh, you know what? This is the grass object. This is the terrain. No wonder that took a long time. I'm surprised it worked at all. Because this terrain has like, I don't know, 500,000 polygons or something like that. So yeah, what I meant to do here was to add it to this one. So okay, I'll take the cube object and add it to this balloony object. So let's see if this rocks. And what the heck was that? That was wrong. I have no idea why I did that. Anyway, you have this delete last placed item down here, so I'm gonna click that one. Okay. What happened? Why was that? Why did that happen? I'm not sure. Okay, now it's acting funky. Maybe I should lock that layer. I'm not sure. Because this doesn't quite work. Let's see. Let's click here. Okay, something is funky. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not sure what's up with that. Maybe I can lock. Let's see. Yeah, so that's the higher object. So maybe I can lock it. Maybe that will solve the issue. I'm not sure. Clone this guy. Okay. So I guess it doesn't like everything. Okay, delete the last placed item. Let's do that to the other object as well. So this, let's see, this is the proxy object. I'm just going to lock it. and okay, for some reason it cloned itself? Really? I don't know. Okay, so now I locked both the original terrain and the proxy terrain. So let's see if that can fix it for us. Yeah, that's a good thing about testing, I guess. So you get to okay, you can clearly see it says new cube object, and then it just says nope, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to use this proxy terrain instead. So it's doing the right thing, but it's using the wrong object. I don't know, it's kind of like weird. That might be a code issue. So maybe if I close it, let's see here. Maybe if I close it and open it again. Maybe that will fix it. I don't know. Layer 3. Cube object. Did it keep my settings? No. That's not good. Whatever. 0.1. 0.3. Actually, it was 0.005. Clone. Instance. Normal offset. Yeah. I think that was it. Okay. We try again. Okay. Okay. Seems to work now. So I guess there was like a small bug there. So yeah, that's what you got to do if that occurs. Let's skip to clone, see if it's friendly or not. You know what, I'm just going to say 0.1 on that, 1.1 on that. Keep cloning. Okay, seems to work okay now. Okay. Yeah, long video. So this is nothing like advanced placement. They are quite different. But yeah, this is for putting objects precisely on the surface. They work in quite different ways. Yeah. I could try to, yeah, I could show you this as well. Since I got it here. Let's see. So if I say I'm going to add 10 objects at once, and I'm going to set the scale to 3.3. Make dynamic, yes. And I'm going to select the proxy collision. No, sorry. The proxy collision, which is layer 2. Sorry, I should have named this much better. So I'll place it aligned to polygon normal. I'll say no in this case. And I'll just click right here. Yeah, I didn't stack those the way I wanted it to. Let's see. Can I do that over again? Okay, I'm not sure why that is. Let's see. What should have happened is that it should have stacked 10 objects on top of each other. Not sure why this is happening. I think it's actually doing it. Yeah, it's doing it. You can't see that on YouTube, but it's actually placing, it has placed 10 of those guys right there. So yeah, I might have to look into that. What I should have been able to do now is I should have been able to say take the proxy object and make that, let's see, dynamics, make that a static body, and then it should simulate the these boxes. Okay, I did simulate them just in the wrong area. Not quite sure what happened, but anyway, I'll look into that, I guess. Much longer video than I thought it would be. Anyway, so that's how it works. So it's not the same as advanced placement, but also this does not crash as often as advanced placement, as far as I know, and also this is using LightWave instances, so you're good to go if you put this on a render farm. I'm not sure if that was so with advanced placement. What else? Yeah, so I would use this in combination with weight painting instances in LightWave. That should make it quite easy for you to make this kind of stuff work. So for grass and smaller vegetation, you would use LightWave instancing and weight painting. And for other objects that need more precision, you would use this tool, OD Object Placer. This is just one of 520 tools that Oliver made. Yeah, 520 tools. The tools also work in LightWave 2020. And there, yeah, like I said, there's 520 tools, so just buy it. Anything else in regards to this? No, not really. What I did notice here is that I can't drag modify several channels. It's either heading pitch or bank or the normal offset. But yeah, it's quite neat. I just need to figure out this vertical stack and dynamics, get that to work correctly. It might have been due to this original object not being in the 0, 0, 0 position, I'm not sure, or it being rotated in the heading pitch bank. That might have been why it worked in a funky way. Oh yeah, you can also clone multiple ones. I'm not going to do that here, but you can select several of these guys and then clone. So for example, if you have a sphere and a box, then you can select both of those and you can make a cluster and you can randomize those as well. I should have shown that, I guess, but this video is just getting quite long. I guess I'll link the original video that Oliver made. Okay, I think I'll leave it at that. Audio tools, buy it.